This neighborhood in Payson, Arizona is just west of the Payson Airport. There's some single family to the right of this image that's existing, some fairly a little bit larger lots. This is a manufactured housing development as we have planned. It's recently been bought out by another developer, so we're going to be changing the units somewhat, but these were the original units from the manufactured housing. So we do quite a few neighborhoods that are manufactured, and what we're looking for here is to create some excitement along the streetscape. And these are the actual units, and they had a lot of side windows, so they were a fairly nice unit. This is the refined topo. Typically, when we do all of our work, we have to, especially in sites that are challenging as far as topography, we have to really create a proposed topo to run the 3Ds. Otherwise, this would really look like a mess if we didn't have to create a proposed topo. So while we're doing that, we might as well balance the earthwork, things like that, and give it to the engineers so that their life is a lot easier. So and the site works from a horizontal and a vertical perspective. Now this plan that you see here, I believe this one at this point when we did this, we did get the feedback from the engineer, so this is more of the final topography. And as we look at it, we're trying to create something a little bit nicer, hide home rears, and it really came out well. Now, it pinched at the top, so you could see as we look at the cul-de-sac, there's some different situations that we could use to maybe gain a unit or two that are a little bit outside the box. But overall, I think, it's a very nice neighborhood. The new developer is going to maintain the character. The housing's going to change, but we're working with them right now to really create a nice product. This you can see the berm and the ditch that goes along the west side, and then we also did connect to the neighborhood. We have an awful long cul-de-sac. You can see that we're connecting to another cul-de-sac. That's a wide trail that can handle an emergency vehicle, and that's how we really solve a lot of the connectivity issues with cul-de-sacs. And again, this was a fairly smooth transition in Payson. We hadn't worked there before. We're working with a new developer, and it's land's going to be expanding to the south. And it's going to be pretty exciting for us to move forward with this.